Let us begin with 3.3 Email Writing. In last lecture you will see that how to write the email, introduction, main body and conclusion you will see, and their starting and all these thing minor thing we discuss in email writing. From this point we are starting the email writing. So in the email writing, compose mail, you can click here. With the help of that point you can compose the mails. So here the new window will be appeared when you click on that button. In examinations you have to write to and subject and from in the email writing, and times and all these things they will be accepted and they will become on the while in on internet. So inbox have the save your emails and that came from the other parts. So here Rohini Chopra at sagemail.com. Subject re-invitation for annual day event. So that is the invitation email for annual day. Dear Madam Sir, I have received the invitation letter asking me to chief guest of, for MEGH 19, which is scheduled on Friday, December 20th. So I have received the invitation for the chief guest of MEGH 19, the schedule on Friday and December 20th. I want to thank you for your kind words. I am indeed very happy to inform you that I will remain present for the events. So that is the reply of the email is here. Here is invitation and here is the thanking the replied to that email. I want to thank for your kind words. I am indeed happy inform you that remain present for event. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you. You are sincerely Rohini Chopra. That is the way you can write the emails. We have to learn how to compose a mail. In the present age, application for job are expected to send through the emails. For each such purpose, preparing the biodata CV resume is required. The nowadays you have to be compose the emails in present days age. In modern times you have to expect the send emails for the different purpose, and the nowadays you have also prepared biodata CV resume etc. तर आपल्याला ईमेल पाठवणं आता आणि ते शिकणं फार गरजेचं आहे, कारण बरेच आताच्या मॉडर्न टाईममध्ये आपल्याला ॲप्लिकेशन फॉर्म्स हे ईमेलच्या माध्यमातून पाठवायचे असतात. तसंच बायोडाटा आणि CV रिझ्यूम हे सुद्धा रिक्वायर्ड असतात. बायोडाटा CV रिझ्यूम इज द फ्रेंच वर्ड meaning summary. Resume is ideally a summary of one's education, skill and employment when applying for a new job. So the French word that resume means summary. Resume ideally summary is one of the education, skill and employer applying for the new job. तर रिझ्यूमचा फ्रेंच वर्ड हा समरी त्याचा मिनिंग होतो, आणि समरीमध्ये आपले एज्युकेशन, स्किल, एम्प्लॉयमेंट या न्यू जॉबसाठी त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला दाखवता येतात. अ रिझ्यूम डज नॉट लिस्ट आउट ऑल डिटेल्स ऑफ प्रोफाइल्स बट सम A resume does not list out all details and profiles, but only some specific skill customized for the target's job profiles. So resumes does not list out all details. It is be specifies the skill on targets job profile. तर जॉबसाठी आवश्यक ज्या गोष्टी असतात त्या रिझ्यूममधून दिल्या जातात. तर बाकीच्या गोष्टी तिथं मेन्शन डिटेलमध्ये दाखवल्या जातात. दिस इट डज is usually one or at most 2 pages long. It may be a 1 or 2 pages long. That resume may be a resume is usually written in a third person to give it an object and formal tone, and that resume has to be written in the particularly objective or the formal tones. तर पर्टिक्युलरली हा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आणि फॉर्मल याच्यामध्येच लिहिला जातो. सी व्ही मीन्स करिक्युलम व्हिटाई. करिक्युलम व्हिटाई इज अ लॅटिन वर्ड मीन्स अ कोर्स ऑफ लाईफ. इट मोर्स details than a resume, generally 2 or 3 pages or even long as per the requirement. करिक्युलम व्हिटाई हा याचा लॅटिन वर्ड्समधून हा करिक्युलम व्हिटाई आला आहे आणि त्याचा मिनिंग कोर्स ऑफ लाईफ होतो आणि जनरली हा 2 ते 3 पेजेसमध्ये तो जास्तीत जास्त लिहिला जातो. अ सी व्ही अ लिस्ट आउट एव्हरी स्किल, all the jobs or position held, degree, profession, affiliations the applicants has acquired in a chronological orders. So in that particular CV they have the every skill they have put there that require for job positions in that degree, professional affiliations applicants has acquired in a chronological order, and that may be written everything qualification, profession, appellation in chronological order. A CV is used to highlight a general talent of the candidate rather than specific skill or specific position. CV highlight the general talent candidates rather specific skill or specific position. तर सी व्हीमध्ये बऱ्याच अशा गोष्टी जनरल हायलाईट केलेल्या असतात त्या स्पेसिफिक स्किल आणि पोझिशनबद्दल असतात. बायोडाटा इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ biographical data and is the archaic terminology for resume or CV. In biodata, the focus on the personal particular like the date of birth, gender, religion, race, nationality, residence, marital status, and the like. A chronological list of education and experience come after that. In biodata, the short biographical data is mentioned in archaic terminology. For resume or CV or biodata, focus on personal particular dates of birth, gender, religion, race, nationality, resident, marital status, and alike. The chronological list of एज्युकेशन अँड एक्सपिरियन्स कम आफ्टर दॅट. तर बायोडाटामध्ये बऱ्याच अशा आपल्या ज्या रिलेटेड ज्या गोष्टी असतात एज्युकेशन त्या सगळ्या लिहिलेल्याच असतात. त्याच्याबरोबर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, जेंडर, रिलिजन, रेस, नॅशनॅलिटी, रेसिडेन्स, मॅरिटल स्टेटस या सगळ्या गोष्टी क्रोनॉलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ एज्युकेशन एक्सपिरियन्स कम आफ्टर दॅट. सो दॅट इज वॉट अबाउट रायटिंग द बायोडाटा सी व्ही अँड रिझ्यूम इन मराठी. बायोडाटा सी व्ही रिझ्यूम हा आपल्या एक पार्श्वभूमी असलेल्या कौशल्याची शैक्षणिक अनुभवी रूपरेषा असते. त्यातून संभाव्य मालक एका दृष्टिक्षेपात आपल्याबद्दल महत्त्वाकांक्षी माहिती मिळू शकतो. आपण आपल्या कंपनीच्या यशात कशा प्रकारे योगदान देऊ शकतो हे निश्चित करू शकतो. बायोडाटा सी व्ही रिझ्यूम हे निव्वळ एक दस्तऐवज नसतो तर स्वतःला योग्य प्रकारे सादर करण्याचे एक प्रभावी साधन असते. याचे महत्त्व मोठे आहे कारण हा दस्तऐवज आपण आणि आपला संभाव्य मालक नियोक्ता यामधील प्रथमदर्शी संपर्क असतो. So there is one of example of writing the email writing. Mukund Pathak received the Best Sportsman award. He wants to inform his father about it. Write an email on his behalf. You may take the help of the following points: name of the game or sport, feeling and excitement, prize distribution function. Add your own point. So answer is that there is just some points are there, but you have to write to mh-pathak@gmail.com. From colon is there. After the to there is colon. After the from colon, and there is also colon after that. Subject Mukund Pathak at gmail.com. Subject best sport person award. So subject should be small and write very well. Dear father, you might be pleased to know that I have received the best sportsman award on of the year in the sports swimming. So I am very happy. I think I have that I received the best sportsman award in this year in the sport of swimming. I received the award from the district collector of the city, and that award I have received from the district collector of the city. Yesterday, our college had its annual prize distribution function. The mayor of the city, the district sport officer, and the president of our school management committee were the chief guest. So I will be in our college has the annual prize distribution function, and there were the mayor of the city and district sports officer, the president of our school management committee were be chief guest. The principal of our college read the annual sport. The chief guest gave the fantastic speeches, and when the prize were annual, all the students were very excited. My friends cheered a lot as soon as my name was announced. So whenever my name was announced in the sport report, that time the chief guest given at that time the students were very excited, and my friend had cheered lots at that moment. I felt great thrill and was applauded for the long when I got the award. So many students they have to very applaud me and thrilling at that moment when I got that award. It was the memorable occasion for me, Papa. I expressed my opinion too. I spoke for 5 minutes. So whenever I expressed my opinion too, I spoke the 5 minutes on that moment whenever I had received that the award. Many students liked my speech. The junior students congratulate me after the functions, and the students that became the junior for me, they have congratulated me, and many people like that speech. तर ॲन्युअल फंक्शनच्या वेळेस त्या गॅदरिंगमध्ये प्रिन्सिपल तो रिपोर्ट वाचत होते. चीफ गेस्टचे स्पीचसुद्धा चांगले झालेले होते, आणि तिथं ते प्राईज देण्यासाठी आणि प्राईज घेण्यासाठी सगळे स्टुडंट्स एक्सायटेड होते. मेनी स्टुडंट्स दे हॅव व्हेरी चेअरफुल ॲट ऑल. जेव्हा माझं नाव वाचलं गेलं तेव्हा सगळ्या मुलांना त्याचा आनंद झाला, आणि त्यांनी जोराने टाळ्या वाजल्या जोपर्यंत मला ते प्राईज मिळालं नाही तोपर्यंत. आणि त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी माझ्यासाठी फार मेमोरेबल होत्या, आणि मी जवळपास 5 मिनिट तिथं स्पीच दिलं, आणि बऱ्याच म्हणजे सगळ्याच मुलांना ते स्पीच आवडलं. आणि जे ज्युनियर स्टुडंट्स होते त्यांनी मला भरपूर अशी मला कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स वगैरे दिल्यात. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट आय हॅव गॉट सच हॉनर पापा. यू ऑलवेज सपोर्ट मी अँड वॉन्ट मी टू बिकेम अ सक्सेसफुल स्पोर्ट्समॅन. तर मी फार आनंदी होतो तेव्हा मला तो हॉनर मिळाला, आणि तुम्ही मला भरपूर असा सपोर्ट केला जेव्हा मला गरज होती. त्याच्यामुळेच मी एक चांगला स्पोर्ट्समॅन होऊ शकलो. दिस इज अ जस्ट बिगिनिंग. आय शुअर्ड यू दॅट यू विल डेफिनेटली अपलिफ्ट द नेम ऑफ आवर फॅमिली अँड माय कॉलेज इन दिस फील्ड. मीट यू सून. तर मी लवकरच घरी येईन आणि आपल्या फॅमिलीला आणि भेटेल आणि या सगळ्या गोष्टी मी माझ्या घराचं आणि फॅमिलीचं नाव सुद्धा उंच करेल. युअर्स लव्हिंगली, मुकुंद पाठक. सो दिस इज द वे you have to write the particular kind of the email writing. Thank you.